Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Liz. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of November. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So as I said, we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of November. And I wanted to start off this video thanking everybody. Thank you so much. We met my goal of 500 subscribers here on YouTube and I am so grateful, and I can't believe it. We're halfway to 1,000 subscribers and I couldn't have done it without any of your support and love. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day watching my videos and commenting. It just means a lot to me, so thank you so much. And with that said, I said that I would do a 500 subscriber giveaway, and I will let you know at the end of the video how I'm going to do that. So other than that, I do have one update. If you follow me on Instagram, I did post I got a license for my business, Stuff Like Liz. So now it's official and I'm slowly taking small steps and prepping for that, and hopefully sometime in the beginning of next year I'll be able to open an online shop, basically with all the things that I like the binders, the envelopes. A lot of you mentioned that you really like this envelope, and so I was thinking of making some of these and maybe other stationery items in the future. So thank you so much for giving me the motivation to want to start a business, and I just can't believe that we're finally doing this. So let's go ahead and get started. So today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of November, and we will be doing a total of $440. So today we'll be cash stuffing my short-term binder and my on-the-go to-go binder, as well as stuffing 2 envelopes from my 100th envelope challenge. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start by counting out the cash. So all together we have 1, 152, 253, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 30, and 40. So $440. So how are you guys doing? Can you believe that next week is Thanksgiving? I can't believe it. This month was very short. There were lots of holidays, and let's see, next week the work week is only Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then after that is Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and then before you know it, it'll be December. So guys, we're only a little over a month left in the year, and are you guys planning to go Black Friday shopping? I think this year I am. Last year I wasn't able to do Black Friday shopping. I did have to work, but now that I have a different schedule for work, I'm able to have this whole holiday weekend off. Well, week/weekend off. So I think I might try to do Black Friday shopping. Usually if I do go out with my mom. My parents are gonna be visiting us for the holidays, so I think I'll be able to do Black Friday shopping with my mom. In the past we used to go out in like midnight when Black Friday shopping starts. I think it actually starts earlier in some places, but maybe we might do that this year. If not, then we will go on the actual Black Friday day and do some shopping. And I think in my long-term binder, I do have 2 envelopes, one for gifts and one for holidays. So I think I might dip into some of these envelopes when shopping, because I did save up a little bit for the holidays. So Black Friday is a great way to get some of your Christmas shopping done, if not maybe all. But yeah, I think that's about it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the cash stuffing. So here's my short-term binder. So for bills, we will be putting $150. So $150. So altogether, bills now has 100, 200, 253, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85. Is that right? 1, 2, 253, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500. So 500 for bills. And guys, I am $150 ahead of my bills. I do want to be 1 month ahead in bills, so my goal is to be 300 ahead, and then from there we can start declining the payments of how much I want to put in here. Okay, so golf. Golf is not getting anything this time, so we just have 20, 40, 50. That was already in our envelope. And beauty. Beauty will be getting $30, so 20 and 10. Okay, so altogether, beauty has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So 150 for beauty. I think I'll probably get my hair done soon. Maybe the beginning of December. I have to make an appointment. Okay, and then travel expenses, we'll be getting $50. Okay, so I'm gonna put, I got a lot of 20s, but anyways, travel expenses will be getting $50. So altogether we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, and 200. So 200 for travel expenses. Okay, and then do you guys remember in my last videos that this was a California envelope? Now my trip has changed to Las Vegas, so I made a new label here. Unfortunately, I was gonna go to California on a trip in January, but that changed to Vegas because now that I started my new job, we have to bid for vacation dates, and I don't have that much vacation hours, so I decided to just go to Vegas. In the beginning, I was thinking of going to Vegas and California, but that would be like almost a 2-week trip. So now I'll just be doing about almost a week for this trip. But anyways, altogether we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. So 130 for Vegas. Oh guys, I didn't even put in my 50. I just started counting the money. So we are adding $50. I'm like, something's off here. So altogether, Vegas has 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 180 for Vegas. And that's it for my short-term binder. Okay, and so next we are doing my on-the-go binder. So for myself, I'm not giving myself anything. For eating out, it'll get its usual $40. Okay, and then next is groceries. Groceries will be getting its usual $50. And we do have $10 left over, so I'll just keep that. So altogether we have $60. And then households won't be getting anything this time. So that's all for my on-the-go binder. And then now we have left $20, $40, $60, and $70. So we will be cash stuffing 2 envelopes for my 100 envelope challenge. So one envelope will be 40 and the other envelope will be 30. So here are my 2 envelopes. So it's 30 and 40. So guys, we've made a lot of progress considering we didn't start the beginning of the year. I think I started around March with this 100 envelope challenge, and you know, I haven't been totally consistent with cash stuffing like 2 envelopes a week, but I'm pretty happy with the progress that we've made so far. I mean, this is just, you know, extra money that is, you know, being saved on the side. So any little bit counts, and what I'm thinking at the end of the year is I'm gonna, of course, unstuff all of this, but I'm gonna put it towards one of my credit card payments. So that's gonna be such a big help. And then here's 40. So I'm actually excited for the end of the year when I unstuff this. To see how much I save, because it'll be interesting to see how much I saved. Okay, and this is 40. And then of course at the beginning of the year I will start this challenge over again. So if you do stuff all 100 envelopes, you should have a total of $5,050 saved, which is awesome. All right, here we go. Here's 40. So guys, I do have 2 envelopes back here that are, you know, stuffed, but I do have, I don't know if you can tell, all of these envelopes that are not stuffed yet. So hopefully I can get more stuff by the end of the year, but if not, it's okay. This is such a great start to, you know, just saving money on the side. All right, so with that said, let's get into the giveaway since I'm done with my cash stuffing. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to pick one winner for my giveaway, and the winner will get a binder. It's not going to be these colors, it'll probably be a clear binder, and you can pick what envelopes you want. So I have these polka dot envelopes, and I also have these dragonfly envelopes. So I'll make a set of 5 for you. You can tell me which ones you want, dragonfly or polka dots, and then it will have this label on. So the dragonfly will have a pink label like this, and then the polka dot one will have a black label like this. So it will be a set of 5 envelopes of your choice, and then of course I will custom make the labels in which you choose your categories, and then it will have a clear binder, and the binder is the A6 size, so it won't be this size. This size was in my last giveaway, but you will be able to choose one of these. Hi everyone, so I started editing this video and I noticed that I didn't give the details on how to enter the giveaway. So basically all you need to do is be publicly subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then leave a comment down below on one goal that you'll meet by the end of this year. So in my last giveaway, my giveaway question was, what is one goal that you'll like to reach by the end of this year? So I think it's just appropriate that we end off this year with one goal that you have met. And then for a bonus entry, if you are following me on Instagram, for this post that I'll do for this video, leave a comment in my Instagram with the white emoji heart. So I'll put a sample right here. But anyways, that is all, and have a great week. Bye.